Hey guys, welcome back. Today I wanted to share with you my 10-minute makeup routine. This is something that I do every day, and I mean not every day, but it's my really quick go-to makeup, and I really wanted to share it with you guys. Hope that you guys like it. It's just kind of like a bronzy, rosy gold. If you want to see how I get this look done, then just keep watching and you'll see it in just a second. And today I'm using my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and I'm just going to take that color Shy and put it right in my crease for a transition shade. And here I'm using a fluffy crease brush from Sephora. Then for my second color, I'm going to take the color Bossy, and I'm also just putting that in my crease, just to kind of give it some depth. And I'm going to take a dense eyeshadow packing brush for the outer part of my lid here. And with the color Maneater and Cocoa, I'm just going to deepen up that outer corner. Now it's time for the shimmery color, and I'm going to take that color Angelic, and with my finger I'm going to put it on the inner half of my eyelid. And again, taking my color Maneater, and I'm going to take that onto the lower lash line. Then taking the color Cocoa and running that right above where I put Maneater. And for an everyday look, I'm not looking for anything super dramatic, so I'm just gonna run my liquid liner across my lash line just to intensify those lashes when I put my mascara on. And giving my lashes a quick curl, then I'm gonna throw on the mascara, the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara, which I really love, and just throw in a few coats of mascara on both bottom and top. And here I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows a little bit. I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer, which I find to be amazing. It works just as good as the ABH brow definer. So it has that really ultra fine tip. And I'm taking that color Bay right under my brow, just to highlight my brow bone a little bit and brighten it up. And I'll throw a second coat of mascara on. Totally not necessary, but I like to do it. Here I'm using the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick in the color Perla. It's actually a little light for my skin tone, so I did darken it up with some lip liner a little later. And this is the beautiful blush that I got in my BoxyCharm this month. It has kind of like a blush and highlight, so I really like it a lot. So that's the finished look. I hope that it was easy to follow. Pretty easy to do, I feel. I mean, just a few colors mixed together, a little bit of eyeliner, no wing. Just, you can throw on lashes if you want. I didn't. I just kind of curled my eyelashes and put some mascara on. It's a good day to day. I didn't put any bronzer. or highlighter, just my blush that has a little bit of highlight in it. And so it's easy to throw on. I hope that you guys like it, and I hope that you try it at home. Let me know if it's something that it was easy for you to do. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye!